This is Nitish from imnk.com, and today we are going to see how to change background in Google Meet. I have decided to post this video because I had difficulty in finding an appropriate solution for this issue. If you get an error that Webgl 2.0 is not supported by a browser in Google Meet, then this video is for you. If you have seen some videos or articles in the past and enabled Webgl but you're still unable to change the background, then you should watch the complete video. In addition, we will also cover how to enable background in Google Meet using the new Edge browser that's based on Chromium open source project. Before we go further, you have to ensure that your browser supports Webgl 2.2. To verify this, open your browser and type in webglreport.com in the address bar and press enter. Ensure both Webgl 1 and Webgl 2 are supported in the browser. The green bar that shows the browser supports Webgl 2, like you see on this video. After confirming this, we'll move to the actual solution of how to enable background in Google Meet. First, open your Chrome browser. Click on the three dots icon on the top right corner of your Chrome browser or type in chrome://settings in the address bar and press enter. Scroll all the way down to advanced settings and click on it to expand the settings. You'll see an option called use hardware acceleration available. Ensure that button is on, which is the big dot towards the right, and it should be blue in color. You may be asked to relaunch the browser if you change the setting. Now go back to the address bar, delete everything and type in chrome://flags in the address bar and press enter. Now this will open up a list of options. We need the option Webgl draft extensions. Maybe it is a little difficult to search from the huge list. So let's type in Webgl in the search window. Now it will show up just one option, that is Webgl draft extensions. On the right side, you will see option as disabled most of the times, but you may also see it as default or even enabled. If you see any other option other than enabled, change it to enabled. You will be asked to relaunch the browser. If it's already enabled, ignore this step and let's continue further. Most of the videos cover up till this part, but even after this, users will not be able to change the background in Google Meet, and it will throw the same error message, that is, Webgl is not supported. If this happens to you, then follow the further steps. After enabling Webgl draft extensions, if you are unable to change the background in Google Meet, then it's because your GPU, which is the graphical processing unit, is not supported by the browser. You could check compatibility by typing in chrome://GPU, but this step is optional. To overcome this issue, type in chrome://flags in the address bar and look for override software rendering list. To make it easier, type it in the search window and press enter. Now you'll see only one option in the list, that is override software rendering list. On the right side to it, you will see that option as disabled. Now just change it to enabled and relaunch the browser. That's it. Now go back to Google Meet, start an instant meeting and check it out yourself. This should have solved the problem, and you should be able to set any background available under the option or even set up a custom background. If you're experiencing problem with Webgl even after this, which is typically rare, check for updated video drivers in Windows updates or contact your PC or laptop manufacturer for updated graphics software. If you wish to do the same in the new Microsoft Edge browser that's based on Chromium open source project, then just replace the word Chrome with Edge and follow all the above steps. For example, to enable Webgl draft extensions, type h:// and follow the same steps that we used for Chrome. I hope this video helped you to enable background in Google Meet. If you like this video, click like, share and post your comments below. This will help me to self-sponsor my education and post more such videos. Also subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified on my future helpful videos. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.